Alright, let's set up, see what it looks like. Because I don't have nobody glasses on. You guys, look, I got my ears pierced. I'm one step closer to it. I wanted a, what is it called? I always know it until it's time for me to say it. Sectum or whatever. Well, she said she could have did it. She would have did it, but she said if I come in and want to get this top pierced too, she'll do it for a discount. I was like, oh, I told you I was gonna get hit on today. She gave me a discount on this one too. Okay, but I just want to see what everything looked like. Can y'all see that happy birthday Duran thing in the back? Can y'all see that? Probably not, huh? Probably not. Or y'all think I should wait to do this when it's nighttime? Should I wait to do the celebration at night? I think it's stronger. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I want you to see the balloons. Get like that. Let's move this out the way. Oh, you can't see my birthday banner. Oh, that's gangster. I don't care what you say. I love being a black man. We just are so inventive. Boom. Works for me. Hold on, let's pull this up a little bit. Alright, how's that? What's that look like? I mean, I know it look ghetto, y'all. I know it's ghetto, but hey, it is what it is. I don't know how it looks. Happy birthday to you. I kind of want to stretch that longer. Oh, nope. It don't matter. That's all right. This is kind of ghetto, but that's okay. Too much. How am I gonna hold this up? I don't know. Here. When I move, you move. Just like that. Don't fall now. I don't want this stuff in it though. Okay. I kinda don't want it. Maybe cut it off right there. What? Oh, I was walking in the mall earlier and a girl was like, pull your pants up, sir. I was like, hey. Y'all watch my other video to know what I'm talking about. Too much? Maybe right here. It won't stay up though, that's the only thing. These balloons don't stay up. Okay. You know what though? Where'd that bag go? What? Anyway, okay, so then I'm gonna have the cake. Let's see. Cake right there. Another cake right there. Okay, maybe that's a little better. I wonder how that looks. And then it's my birthday. I probably could bring y'all closer, huh? Mm-hmm. Ah! Oh, you can't see the balloons. Damn it. Hope that's a good little blend. It's my birthday! Oh my gosh! This cake for me? Okay, now I have my friend sit over here because he don't want to be on camera. Okay. So I got an ice cream cake. Oh, I told it on my last video, but I got an ice cream cake because I waited till the last minute to get my SpongeBob cake. Alright, I think that's good. I'm gonna leave it at that. Well, let me see what it, let me see what it looks like.